Most drivers replace their car battery every 2 to 3 years, and they think that's normal. But what if I told you your battery can easily last twice as long, sometimes even 6, 7, or 8 years, if you start doing one simple thing today? Your car battery is slowly dying every single time you start the engine, run accessories, or even leave your car parked for too long. But the real reason batteries fail early has nothing to do with age. The real killer is resistance, specifically, the electrical resistance caused by corrosion buildup and poor charging habits. And the fix? It's shockingly simple. The single most important thing you can do to extend your battery's life is this: clean and protect your battery terminals and ensure your alternator can charge the battery with zero interference. When corrosion builds up, your alternator has to work harder, your battery charges slower, and every start puts extra stress on the internal plates. Over time, this weakens it until one morning, you turn the key and nothing happens. So, let's break down how to stop this from ever happening again. Start by opening the hood and looking at your battery posts. Even if they don't look bad, there might be a thin, invisible layer of oxidation that's already affecting performance. All you need is a simple mix of baking soda and water, or a battery terminal cleaner, and a small brush. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive. Clean both posts and clamps until the metal shines. Here's where the magic happens. Once the terminals are clean, coat them lightly with dielectric grease or battery terminal protector spray. This step alone can double your battery's lifespan by preventing oxygen and moisture from bonding with the metal. But the terminals are only half the story. The next part is something even most mechanics forget: checking your battery's resting voltage and alternator charging voltage. A healthy battery should rest around 12.6 volts when the engine is off. When the engine is running, your alternator should be pushing between 13.8 and 14.7 volts. Anything lower means your battery is constantly undercharged, and undercharging is the #1 silent killer of car batteries. If the voltage is low, it might be your alternator, your belt, or even a weak ground connection. Fixing any of those early saves you from a sudden breakdown later. Let's talk about parasitic drain next. Modern cars are full of small electronics, alarms, sensors, modules that never truly turn off. If your car sits for more than 3 days regularly, these tiny systems slowly drain the battery. To prevent this, start your car at least once every 2 or 3 days. Especially in cold weather. Let it run for a few minutes so the alternator can top off the charge. Speaking of weather, extreme temperatures destroy batteries faster than anything else. Heat causes the battery fluid to evaporate, and cold reduces the chemical reaction needed to start the engine. If you live in a hot climate, park in shade whenever possible. And if you live somewhere cold, consider using a battery blanket or parking inside a garage. Another mistake many people make is short trips. If your daily drives are less than 10 minutes, your alternator never has enough time to fully recharge the battery. Over months and years, this slowly drains its capacity. If short trips are part of your lifestyle, give your car one long 20 to 30-minute drive once a week. That single weekly drive dramatically improves battery health. Let's go deeper. Modern cars with start-stop systems are especially hard on batteries. The constant restarting puts massive strain on the internal plates. If your car has start-stop and you notice slow cranking, disable the feature until you fix the issue or recharge the battery properly. Now here's a trick nobody talks about. Clean your car's chassis ground points. These small connections on the body and frame are responsible for completing every electrical circuit. When they're dirty, your battery works harder, and your alternator has to push more voltage to compensate. Cleaning them with sandpaper or a wire brush improves electrical flow instantly. Finally, consider using a smart battery maintainer if your car sits for long periods. These devices keep your battery at the perfect charge level without overcharging it. They're cheap, safe, and absolutely worth it. When you follow all of these steps, cleaning terminals, protecting them, checking voltage, avoiding short trips, managing parasitic drain, and maintaining good grounds, you eliminate almost every factor that kills modern car batteries. Your car starts smoother, your electronics run better, and your alternator lasts longer too. If this helped you, consider subscribing to Gear Specs. We've already completed our watch time requirement and your subscription will help us reach monetization sooner, which directly supports the channel and helps me manage my college expenses while continuing to bring you helpful car videos every day. Thank you for being part of the journey.